Seniors, have you noticed your legs feeling weaker after 60? You're not alone, but this is not just normal aging. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 hidden reasons why your legs lose strength after 60, and more importantly, what you can do starting today to stop it. Don't wait until it's too late. Your independence, balance, and health depend on strong legs. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share simple daily steps to restore your strength and keep you moving with confidence. Please remember, the information shared in this video is strictly for educational purposes and should never be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your trusted healthcare provider for any personal health concerns. One significant factor contributing to diminished leg strength, especially after 60, is the natural process of muscle loss, medically termed sarcopenia. As the years gently pass, our bodies inherently experience a decrease in muscle mass. This process can subtly begin as early as our 30s, but its pace dramatically accelerates once we reach our 60s and beyond. If proactive measures aren't taken to counteract this gradual decline, individuals could face a substantial loss, potentially up to 30% of their muscle mass by their 80s. This considerable reduction in muscle profoundly weakens the legs, making what were once effortless daily activities, such as rising from a comfortable chair, embarking on a pleasant walk, or ascending a flight of stairs, feel increasingly arduous and challenging. Telltale signs that you might be experiencing sarcopenia include a noticeable thinning of your thighs and calves, a persistent feeling of heaviness or fatigue in your legs even after minimal exertion, and a general sense of tiredness after what used to be a short, invigorating walk. The encouraging news, however, is that you possess the remarkable ability to slow and, in many instances, even reverse the effects of sarcopenia. Incorporating straightforward strength-building exercises into your daily routine, such as gentle chair squats, focused leg lifts, or resistance band exercises, can effectively stimulate muscle regrowth. Furthermore, protein plays an absolutely vital role in muscle repair and maintenance. Strive to include protein-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, various fish, dairy products, nuts, and a variety of legumes in your diet to fuel your muscles adequately. And remember, consistent movement is incredibly powerful. Even a modest 10 to 15 minutes of walking each day can significantly help keep your leg muscles engaged, active, and impressively strong. Another common culprit behind leg weakness is compromised circulation, often stemming from a condition known as peripheral artery disease, PAD. Have you ever experienced a disconcerting feeling of coldness, numbness, or cramping in your legs, especially while walking? These sensations could very well be a sign of poor circulation, which frequently arises when fatty plaques accumulate and narrow the arteries in your legs. When your leg muscles don't receive an adequate and steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, they become noticeably weak, quickly fatigued, and unfortunately, highly prone to uncomfortable cramping. In more severe situations, persistently poor circulation can even hinder wound healing or lead to concerning infections. If your legs often feel heavy or tingly after periods of standing, or if you notice a particular pain in your calves that curiously subsides when you sit down, it's a strong indication that your circulatory system might be struggling. To actively improve blood flow and vitality in your legs, make daily walking a priority, even if it's initially just short distances around your home. Staying thoroughly hydrated is also critically important. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider reducing your salt intake to minimize fluid retention and swelling. Simple practices such as warm foot soaks, gentle leg massages, and periodically elevating your legs can also provide immense relief and promote better circulation. If these troubling symptoms persist or worsen, it is imperative to consult your doctor, as untreated PAD can sadly elevate your risk for more serious cardiovascular issues, including heart disease and strokes. The distressing sensations of tingling, numbness, or a burning feeling in your legs or feet, perhaps even a peculiar feeling as though you're walking on sponges, can be concerning symptoms of nerve damage, medically referred to as peripheral neuropathy. This condition impacts nearly 1 in 3 seniors, with those managing diabetes or experiencing certain vitamin deficiencies being particularly susceptible. Over extended periods, elevated blood sugar levels can progressively harm the delicate nerves throughout the body. Similarly, Insufficient levels of vitamin B12, a nutrient absolutely essential for robust nerve health, can also significantly contribute to leg weakness and other neurological issues. The longer peripheral neuropathy remains unaddressed, the more severe its manifestations can become, potentially leading to critical balance problems and a heightened risk of dangerous falls. To diligently protect your precious nerves, consistently monitor your blood sugar levels and maintain them within a healthy range. Cultivate a diet rich in B12, thoughtfully incorporating foods like eggs, dairy products, and various leafy green vegetables. Additionally, it is wise to limit excessive alcohol consumption, as this can unfortunately exacerbate existing nerve damage. Gentle leg and foot massages can also offer comfort and potentially improve nerve function, alleviating some of the discomfort. If you observe persistent numbness, tingling, or unusual sensations, it's crucial not to dismiss them. Promptly speak with your doctor to obtain accurate testing and appropriate treatment, safeguarding your nerve health and overall well-being. You might be surprised to learn the profound influence your lower back health has on the strength and stability of your legs. If you're experiencing issues such as a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even maintaining poor posture over an extended period, these conditions can tragically compress the delicate nerves that exit your spine. When these vital nerves are pinched, it can result in debilitating weakness, sharp pain, or even disconcerting sudden collapses in your legs. Symptoms indicating leg weakness might be linked to spinal problems, often include a distinctive pain that radiates from your lower back, traveling down one or both legs. You might also notice troublesome numbness in your feet or feel a noticeable difference in strength, perceiving one leg as significantly weaker than the other. If these descriptions resonate with your experience, consider incorporating gentle back stretches into your routine, such as the calming knee to chest stretch or the soothing seated spinal twists. It's also important to actively avoid prolonged periods of sitting, as this posture can exert considerable pressure on your lower back. If your daily activities necessitate extended sitting, make sure to use a supportive lumbar cushion, and most importantly, commit to standing up and moving around for a few minutes every half hour. Nurturing a healthy, well-supported spine is unequivocally key to maintaining robust, unwavering leg strength throughout your life. Have you ever been suddenly awakened by an intense leg cramp in the middle of the night, or experienced moments when your legs feel unexpectedly shaky or profoundly weak for no apparent reason? These troubling sensations could very well signal an electrolyte imbalance, specifically a deficiency in crucial minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are absolutely essential for seamless and efficient muscle function. A shortfall in potassium can lead to frustrating muscle spasms, general weakness, and even contribute to irregular heartbeats, impacting overall cardiovascular health. Simultaneously, a lack of magnesium can manifest as uncomfortable muscle twitching, pervasive fatigue, and in some instances, even heightened feelings of anxiety. These deficiencies often arise due to dehydration, the use of certain medications such as diuretics, or simply not consuming enough mineral-rich foods in your daily diet. To diligently restore this vital balance, significantly increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, vibrant oranges, fresh spinach, and creamy avocados. For a healthy boost of magnesium, incorporate almonds, a square of dark chocolate, wholesome whole grains, and various beans into your meals. Furthermore, remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can regrettably exacerbate these mineral deficiencies and worsen symptoms. If you frequently suffer from debilitating leg cramps, a warm Epsom salt bath before bed can offer remarkable relief. The magnesium in the salts is readily absorbed through your skin, helping to relax your muscles deeply and effectively prevent those unwelcome cramps. Weak legs are much more than a mere inconvenience. They serve as a powerful warning signal, urging you to pay closer attention to the intricate needs of your body. Whether the underlying cause points to muscle loss, impaired circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or a crucial electrolyte imbalance, the truly empowering news is that numerous simple and natural solutions are available to help you effectively regain your strength and vitality. Don't delay. Begin your journey toward stronger legs today. Engage in daily exercise, Even if it's just 5 minutes, every bit of movement makes a meaningful difference. Prioritize consuming more protein and other nutrient-rich foods to actively rebuild and sustain your muscle mass. Ensure you drink ample water and consciously work to balance your minerals to actively ward off weakness and discomfort. Mindfully check your posture and commit to maintaining optimal spinal health to protect against debilitating nerve issues. And importantly, incorporate daily walking into your routine. This simple habit profoundly improves circulation and effectively prevents leg fatigue. Don't wait until these issues become entrenched. If you found this information insightful and empowering, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it generously with anyone who could benefit from cultivating stronger, healthier legs. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these critical reasons for leg weakness surprised you the most, or perhaps resonated deepest with your own experiences?